Hey man, what's going on everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to what I'm going to call the reshoot to this video because I kind of made some mistakes. So part of this video, if you see me wearing something different in another couple of clips that I have in here, is because I kind of made a mistake on my timeline. So this video is really pretty much an update. It's a crazy update because I just didn't realize how short my timeline was to do all of this. So this video is pretty much about me just trying to get ready for the tune date. Now I did set the tune date already. The tune date is already set, and I don't know why I just had my weeks already. It's been busy at work, man. I'm super tired right now. I've been sick. I've been dealing with my kid. My 4-year-old had pneumonia, so I've been kind of dealing with that too. So it's been kind of rough, and then dealing with the issues with the truck and it, getting totaled and all of that. So, and I'm gonna kind of touch on a little bit of that in this video as well. But for the most part, let me tell you guys this. Okay, as far as for the tune date has been set for November 26th. For some goofy reason, I thought I still had another week in between there, but I do not. So, me shooting this video is pretty much like an update video to tell you where I am. I'm trying to make it to where I don't have a lapse in video and content that I can put out. Reason I say that is the car is going to be gone for possibly a week. Reason being is, next week is Thanksgiving. So when y'all see this video, we probably going to be a day for Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving. So there's a possibility if they run into any issues that I may not see the car until December 2nd. So what's gonna happen is, as y'all see this video this week, this weekend, which it ain't came yet, the weekend, before the 26th, so that's like in a couple days, I'm gonna work on putting in the actual flex fuel kit, which is right here. So the flex fuel kit is right here. It's ready to go. It's all in the boxes. So I'm gonna be putting this in over the weekend to have it ready to go for Tuesday. So there's that. So now at this point, I'm going to kind of switch the video over to me showing you the stuff that I'm inspecting on the car, which I did an oil change as well. So all of that stuff is completed, but I'm just gonna cue in that piece of footage that's showing you the things that I was looking at and then the things that I checked on the car. So go ahead and check that out, and then you come back, then we'll talk a little bit more, and then we'll close this thing out. All right, so here we go underneath the car. Of course, my bolts, making sure all of my header bolts are on, because that has been an issue in the past. Making sure that we are good there. Everything does look good. Got all of my bolts there. You guys can see all of that. Header bolts, that flange right there, that's good. And another important section is right here where the blow-off valve is, and we are still good there. We have really good seal there. The connection there is good. So really the only other thing, like I said, no oil leaks, nothing like that. All I got to do now is just change this oil, or drain the oil out of here, put some new oil in there, new filter. My belt looks good, the accessory belt that is. Everything is looking good right up in here. So yeah, let me see, get some more light up in here. See all of that. 3-port boost solenoid looking good. Seal is really good there. Everything is looking good, man. All right, now looking at everything here, everything is good to go. So I'm gonna go on ahead and we're gonna drain this oil out here, and there we go. Drain that oil out of there. Let it go directly in that hole. There we go. Open that up. And there we go. Oil does not look half bad, but it's almost 3,000 miles on that. But I want to make sure we got fresh oil before we get this tune. So while this is draining out, I'm gonna go up top and then deal with this oil filter as well. Okay, so now after watching that, let me tell you guys a few things that happened when I did talk to the actual tune shop. So as you guys know, I did use the OTL coil packs. So what they did tell me is that they haven't had good luck with running aftermarket coil packs. So they usually tell people to bring the OEM ones in, but they did tell me they have not worked with the OTL coil packs. So they said they will try them. So if they do run into an issue, I'm gonna leave the box with the that they came in the car with the OEM coil packs in there. So if they have to swap them out and put those in, they can, and that'll kind of, you know, eliminate a few issues. You know, if it gives them issue, if not, and it works fine, but I'll let you guys know when I find that out. Also, due to how they have to do the inspection, the pre-tune inspection, they kind of increased the prices a little bit. So I kind of get into what my totals are as far as for what I'm spending on all of this. Whenever everything is all said and done, the way that something else happens, I can tell you that, and then I can give you like a total cost of what all this, the tune and all of that is going to, what all it costs. Okay, so which means while I'm dropping it, so this weekend, like I told you guys, this weekend I'm going to be working on installing the flex fuel kit. So that means the week after that, so just in case if I don't have the car, there'll be some more content coming out. So I'll show you guys, guys will be able to see me installing the kit in there, which gives me time to get the car back, kind of get some details from the tuner, that way that I can kind of update you guys on that little process. I'm trying to plan this out the right way, to the way I'm giving you guys my experience and the information that I'm getting from the tuner, or, you know, anything that happened during the tune. Hopefully nothing happens though. Pray for me, because I don't want to pay any extra than what I'm already paying. But like I said, these guys at Cosmic Motorsports, man, my car has been running top notch since I got it tuned by them the first time. And for me, you get what you pay for. These guys, they really do their thing. So if you're in the Houston area and you're looking to get tuned, man, go to Cosmic Motorsports. Cool group of guys, man, real nice. You got questions, they answer your questions, man. They're not a-holes or nothing like that. They, you know, they answer, they give you the real deal. So man, nothing can beat great customer service. And, you know, I'm always an advocate to that. You know, if I can speak to you and you tell me what I need to know, you don't hold back with me and you give it to me straight, then you know what, you got my business. So they did a good job. The car's been running perfect the entire time, had no issues from the tune that they gave me before. So they're gonna make sure I get a good, safe tune that's gonna keep the car running like it should. So there's that. That way then, the next week, the video you'll see will be me doing the install of the flex fuel kit, which gives me time to shoot some more footage from the after tune effect. So that's kind of the reason why I'm planning it out that way. But like I said, you know, on this video, change the oil, check a lot of the hose connections and stuff like that. And the reason why I did my own is to possibly catch a potential problem before they catch it, because if they catch it, then it's, you know, that much more they're gonna have to do, and it slows the process down. I'm trying to make the process as smooth as I possibly can. So that's the reason why I did that. But again, man, I appreciate y'all. I wasn't planning on taking too much of y'all's time in this video. I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know that I screwed up my timeline a little bit. But I got the necessary things installed on the car besides the flex fuel kit, which I'm going to be installing this weekend. And it'll be ready to go by that time. And then we'll see what my results are. And I kind of go over what my tune looked like before, because I still got that tune sheet from that. We'll talk about that, and then whatever, if I get more power, cool, I'm sure I'm gonna get more power. But you know, depending on what that number is, I'll see, and then we'll pretty much go from there. So again, man, thank you guys. Appreciate y'all. If y'all, you know, made it this far in the video, you watched the video, I really appreciate everybody's support. And when I tell y'all, when y'all talk to me, man, and y'all, you know, the comments that you say, you really don't understand how much that means to us YouTubers out there. That, phone going crazy. It means a lot, man. And yeah, the engagement is what keeps me motivated to try and one up myself and try and do more. I've been spending a ton of money on camera gears, because I'm camera gear to try and improve my content, improve my editing. I'm gonna be taking on some other stuff, but like I say, at the end of the year video, we got quite a bit to talk about, and I'll give you my aggressive plan for next year, what I'm planning to do. So we'll see what's up and we'll go from there. But again, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And until that next video, fam, peace.